Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing very well. Today, in this video, I bring some latest collection of Mother's Day decoration ideas to create party decorations at home, inside or outside. You can create these sort of unique and trendy ideas to make your mother on this Mother's Day full of surprises. You can create these sort of party decoration ideas according to your own customized ideas. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love these ideas and definitely create any of them. In this video, I bring some latest collection of uniquely designed Mother's Day decoration ideas. Whether it can be indoor or outdoor, you can create these sort of unique decorative arrangements to create this Mother's Day more special and unique. You can use different indoor and outdoor decorations according to your own interest and choice for your mother, and by looking into her choices, you can create some decorations according to it. You can like these sort of ideas that will use some fresh flower arrangements, or you can also create some printables for this Mother's Day decoration. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, you can create any of these ideas to make your Mother's Day more special. Whether it can be of Mother's Day different party arrangements. If you want to create some breakfast decorations, you can decorate according to it for your breakfast tables, or you can also decorate different Mother's Day brunch decoration ideas. For these, you can create different tablescape decorations to make your Mother's Day more pleasantly designed by keeping into mind these sort of unique arrangements. You can create different desserts for Mother's Day and decorate tables according to it. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any request, you can mention it in the comment section. I will work on it. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your queries in it. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like my ideas, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel, and it also encourages me to bring some latest crafts for you. So I hope you will enjoy this video. Keep sharing my video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.